What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having a great day so far. So something weird is going on with the Subi right now. That's why I have it all jacked up, as you can see. Last night I was driving home from work and I was on the freeway and the car just started wobbling like crazy. It feels like a lot of vibration in the steering wheel and stuff like that. So there's a bunch of different reasons as to why you could feel like wheel vibration at high speeds. So I'm gonna pull off a couple of my wheels. I'm gonna pull off my front wheels. That's why I'm all jacked up. I'm gonna try to see if I can figure out what's going on with the car. A few of the main things that could be wrong: these rotors could be warped. That could be causing some vibration. It could be from uneven tire wear because my camber is a little bit off. It could also be from a bad tie rod, bad ball joints. There's a couple different reasons as to why this could be happening. So I'm gonna pull off some of the wheels and I'm gonna see if I can figure out what's going on. So let me show you some of the things that could be causing the vibration. If these rotors were warped and had like uneven wear in them, they're not perfectly smooth right now, but I don't think they're warped to the point. I don't really see any like divots or anything really wrong with them. I don't think they're warped to the point where they'd be causing a bunch of wheel vibration. Right in here, this is my tie rod right here. So if this was clapped right here, this like bushing, if that was pretty clapped out, then that could be causing vibration, but this looks pretty good. It doesn't look like it's in too bad of shape. Also down here, we have that ball joint right there. And if this bad boy was clapped, that also would cause vibration, but this also doesn't look like it's in too bad of shape either. Another thing that it could be the bearing inside of the hub. If that's out, then you'll be able to shake your rotor back and forth, but my rotor has no play, as you can see. So I'm not really sure what could be causing this, to be honest. I think it could be because I have some uneven tire wear from camber. You guys can't really tell, look. But yeah, it's starting to really wear bad on this side, this inside. So I think that just because the wheels are wearing unevenly, that might be what's causing it to pull to the left and have some vibration. So what I'm gonna do is I think I might take them down to a tire shop and have the tires actually rotated and see if that makes a difference, and also get the car aligned, because I'm really not sure what else I could do. I'm gonna put some new hub-centric rings in here, because these hub-centric rings that I'm running right now are plastic, and I have these nice gold metal ones. So while the wheel's off, I'm gonna do that so it'll look like that in the end. I'm super sick. I'm not feeling good at all. This is kind of a bad way to start out the week, you know, not feeling good, car's not working good. But it's a Monday, you know, I know I'm gonna press on. I'm gonna figure this out. If you guys have any idea of what it could be, please comment in the comments below. Help your boy out so we can get this Subi back on the road and get back to doing what we love. Check out the new hub-centric ring. This one's way better than the plastic one, and it's got like little drains for water. It's just locked into the wheel so nicely. I really like that. Plus the gold looks good. I bet you it will look good when it's back on the car and you see it from the front. Super pumped. Alright guys, so when I was putting in the hub-centric rings, I really started to look back at everything and just make sure everything was at the like same height. And what I'm noticing is that this coilover has about 1 inch. And then if you go to the right side, this one is fully lowered, which is super weird because I'm not sure why that would happen, because I always check to make sure that my coilovers are at the same height every time I take my wheels off and put them back on. So I'm gonna fix that right now, and I'm guessing that's gonna be the source of the problem. I'll definitely come back in a bit when I'm driving and let you guys know if that worked. We're in the car. I'm about to do a little test drive with y'all. About to get on the freeway. It still felt like it was kind of pulling to the left. I think I might need an alignment after adjusting those coilovers, but I'm pretty sure that's gonna be the source of the problem. If one coilover is like fully maxed down and one's up 1 inch, especially on the left side, I could see that causing vibration in play. I really hope this is it. I got class at noon. I'm just trying to get this fixed early in the morning before I gotta go to school. Alright guys, so we're on the freeway. And the wheel doesn't seem to be vibrating as bad. Before, the wheel was literally like crazy, like you'd see my whole hand shaking on top of it. But now it's seeming pretty good. It feels a lot better. It's still pulling to the left. As you can see, if I let go, I can literally fucking change lanes without. So it definitely needs an alignment. I'm gonna take it over to my boy's shop right now. But overall, I think we found what the source of the problem was. I think that's the majority of it. So we're gonna get it aligned. I maybe might have them rotate the tires as well. See if that makes any difference. Hopefully it all helps. All right, so we're back home. My boys at Big Brand Tire hooked it up, got the car all aligned. That was the source of the problem. It was definitely the coilovers being uneven. You know, if one's sitting way lower than the other, of course it's gonna cause your car to pull one way. So I'm glad that we got that all worked out. Coilovers are at an even height. Car's all aligned, riding like a dream. So happy to be back on the road. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Got a lot of big plans in store. I'm planning on buying a drift car real soon, saving up that moolah. You guys know how it is. This car life's expensive, so you know we're trying to keep these projects rolling. So please subscribe, tell your friends, put something in the comment section for me. I really appreciate you guys. And remember, what your mind can conceive and believe, you can achieve. Peace out.